Check this out. You cannot make this stuff up. The Nasdaq market right now is headed for its 7th consecutive winning streak, or winning week, if you want to call it, in the last 8. So Nasdaq market as of right now, you guys can look at QQQ. It is at all-time highs. Now trading at 443.56. Higher highs, higher lows. The Nasdaq market continues to rise. We are not seeing any signs of a pullback as of right now. It's a very green and bullish start for the month of March. And based off of my understanding, it's the expectation that the Federal Reserve is expected to cut interest rates as soon as the next FOMC meeting. This is not what I heard last time from the Federal Reserve. Jerome Powell did not say anything that would suggest that, because if you really think about it, CPI data report based off of what was last reported did not support the case of a rate cut by any means. Inflation actually went up, and so did PPI. Yet market is going higher for longer. There's no reason to overcomplicate it. That's just the way that the market is right now. The market, in my opinion, is too overbought for me to want to go long, and as well as we talked about this one yesterday because it reported earnings. Dell went up 20% after reported earnings, and then going into the extended hours into market open, at one point it was up over 30%. Then it pulled on back, kind of trading sideways now. Now it's up 27%. Now, it wouldn't really surprise me if this thing pulls on back, but the reason I wouldn't be super encouraged to short something like this is, although it might be an overreaction, it's an incredibly bullish stock, and you want to respect that, right? So make sure that you pay attention to that overall direction, that when you enter a short, that actually the direction is in your favor and you're not just trying to make money as something might pull back a little bit, but ultimately if it's incredibly bullish, then again, you're simply trading against the overall trend. BTC. So BTC is showing a little bit more signs of weakness, a little bit more signs of a resistance. Now, again, it's not actively selling off, so let's not get ahead of ourselves. But it is testing the 1 hour the 1 hour EMA. We're not progressively making lower lows below 60,000 yet. But I think that this upcoming week will pretty much determine, hey, are we going to go back to all-time highs for Bitcoin, which was like 67,000, right? 69,000 since we're so close, and can we lead to a breakout now trading at 70,000? Or is this the highest that we're going to get, and we're going to break below EMA, break below 60,000, and then retrace right back down to 50,000? So as of right now, Bitcoin is overbought based off of recent patterns. But like you've seen so many times before, Bitcoin likes to trade sideways instead of pulling on back, and then it just goes out for a breakout session. So I wouldn't be surprised if something like that happens. Let's just, again, instead of trying to predict, let's wait for confirmation. And that's all I've been trying to preach today. So there were a series of trades that I took with my LPP team with the trade idea updates because of a very common resistance range for coin right around 204, 205, and how it tends to pull on back to the high 190s and stuff like that. So it's about a 4% margin when it comes down to shorting this from highs to lows. I'm sorry, that was 2.5%. It was from highs to previous lows. That was 4.2% at the lows of 196. So I'll keep you guys up to date. I'm paying attention to Bitcoin, and the only reason I'm paying attention to Bitcoin is because I want to short coin on the way down. But coin doesn't look like it's going to be selling off, not just because of Bitcoin's performance, but because of also the positive influence that Nasdaq is having on it, because Nasdaq continues to go higher for longer, and it looks like it's really carrying the rest of big tech with it. So if you are also wondering the question, why am I wearing these Apple VR goggles? We're giving them away to one of you guys. You guys have 3 days to enter our VR goggle giveaway. They're the Vision Pros. They're about $3,500 before tax. They're extremely expensive. I just tried them out. I uploaded a video on Shop Tech Buds. It looks absolutely insane. If you guys follow us on Instagram, you guys should be able to see the video. But pretty much, we're going to be giving one of these away to one of you guys. It's a 3-day giveaway, three-day giveaway for the weekend, and all you need to do is select your favorite items from shoptechbuds.com, get entered, and it enters you both for the VR goggle giveaway and also the Corvette C8 giveaway. But on Monday, one of you is going to be announced the winner for the Apple VR Vision Pros. So I appreciate your time. Again, that's the 4th link in the description down below. And if you want to watch me trade live as soon as Monday, that's that 2nd link in the description. Stay patient, stay calculated, and if you feel like the market's too overbought, don't be afraid to stay cash. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.